Hello, this is Rob from Viti Mercedes-Benz, and this is the simply stunning 2016 E400 Cabriolet. Absolutely gorgeous color combination. That diamond white on the deep sea blue, dark blue leather interior. Absolutely stunning. What a fantastic ocean drive Newport cruiser. Very beautiful car and extremely well equipped with the Premium 2 package, keyless go, full LED headlamps, command navigation, 322 sport package, smartphone integration, blue soft top, rear view camera. Look at that gorgeous interior with that navy blue leather. Very, very well equipped vehicle. Ventilated and heated seats, as well as a sport steering wheel, Harman Kardon sound, and those gorgeous 18-inch AMG wheels. Feel free to stop by Viti and take it for a lovely test drive yourself, or give us a call at 401-624-6181. Of course, we're available 24/7 at vitimb.com.